For the Soviet Union and Eastern Europe, if you seek liberalization, come here to this gate. Mr. Gorbachev, open this gate. Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
Bring your children and grandchildren to the Reagan Library to see this piece of the Berlin Wall and reflect on its historical meaning. When President Reagan died on June 5, 2004, he was laid to rest here at his library. Above the gravesite is a quote from the president. "I know in my heart that man is good, that what is right will always eventually triumph, that there is purpose and worth to each and every life." Thanks for joining me on this tour honoring one of our nation's greatest presidents. I invite you to visit the library to embrace the freedom legacy of Ronald Reagan and to celebrate his principles that we continue to honor today. To learn how you can participate, click Get Involved.